Welcome back to the What Did I Just Watch Award Show. Yes. Congratulations again to Shamar for that big win. We're moving on to our next category. Have you ever heard an R&B or hip hop song and thought to yourself, that would be a great gospel song to worship the Lord to? We're calling this next category From Ratchet to Righteous. Let's take a look at our nominees.
On my mama, on my hood, I look fly, I look good. Somebody say, come on, tell them. On my
Now that'll really make you want to put on your shouting shoes. And the award goes to Kim Burrell, You Won't Break My Soul. Now to take us to our next commercial break, ladies and gentlemen, the legendary Miss Karen Clark Sheard.
Twist.